Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley. You guys call me Prissyshay. Today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for y'all. I'm gonna create like something, you know, soft and beautiful. Like it's gonna be like a nice bronze look. Before I get into that, I want to tell you guys about my wig. Let me tell y'all details about this wig, y'all. You guys will not believe me if I tell you this is synthetic. Yes, this is synthetic hair. I bought it at a local beauty supply store here in Miami. Girl, like, look at this. This is really nice. I haven't worn blonde hair like this in a while, especially like with the blonde highlights. I usually wear like the gold type of brown, like the golden brown wigs, the bright blonde. It's called the color is flamboyant blonde. This is an HD lace, girl, so you have to switch it around and move it around. I like the roots. You see, look at the roots. I can move it around, put ponytail if I want to. Like, I look like Beyonce. Oh, okay, girl. The name of the wig is called Zelina. You can flat iron it. I'm not gonna flat iron it. You know how synthetic wigs, sometimes you flat iron it, then you burn it. You just gotta make sure you take care of the hair. Don't brush it too much. If you brush it too much, you know how synthetic is. It gets snappy too quick. So this is a Swiss lace wig, 100% premium fiber. It was a good price. It's natural density. Like, y'all, like, I really love this wig. I mean, this is not a wig tutorial, so if you guys want to see, you know, how I apply the wig and how I glue it down, I'll probably make a separate video for y'all to see how I did it. Today I didn't glue it down, so I just cut the lace to just put it on for this video. So stay tuned to that video from, you know, if you guys want to see me, you know, put my wig on, you feel me? Anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieve this bronze makeup, beautiful purplish color look, make sure you guys subscribe, tell your friends about my channel, like my videos, also comment down below and let me know what videos you guys want me to make, and click on notification bells so you guys to be up to date my videos. Okay, we're gonna start by using my Sephora collection eyebrow pencil, the shade Ebony. Now we have the brows filled in. We're gonna use the Ruby Kisses. No, not Ruby Kisses. New York NK Makeup Perfection Multi-Use Concealer, Triple Coverage, shade number 10. The Breakfast in Bed Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette that I got from the Box of Charm. I'm gonna use my regular blending brush, shade Yawning. Same concealer to cut my crease with the eyeshadow flat brush. Forehead Kisses, and I'm gonna go in my short shaded brush. Hydra Grip Primer from No Cosmetic. Kat Von D Full Coverage Foundation, shade Deep 78 Neutral with my BS Mauve Face Angle Foundation Brush. Sculpting Concealer, shade 9, and the Beauty Blender Concealer, shade Tan Suede. E25 brush for blush and then concealer brush at the end. Stick foundation, shade Congo for contouring. Translucent powder, shade Translucent Honey. Use my Beauty Blender to set right there. Radiance Warm Almond new powder, my powder brush. Bronzer shade Prodigy with my Laura Mercier contour brush. Palette. I had this for years, and then I'm going in Suva Beauty 180 blush brush. We're going with my Inglot highlighter, Sparkling Dust. This is a real OG highlighter. Going with the same blush brush, but I'm gonna use the other side. Collection gel lip liner shade molasses shade, number 17. I'm going with the Spur Collection lip plumper number 2 with the Jamie Lips Incredible lip tint. So add a little color to it.